Example 2, Part A. Multiply x minus 3 times x plus 3. So we will begin by distributing x minus 3 into x plus 3. Doing so, we will get x times x minus 3 plus 3 times x minus 3. We will continue with our distribution. So x times x times a negative 3, 3 times x, 3 times a negative 3, leaving us with x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. And now if we combine like terms, we would be left with x squared, negative 3x plus 3x will be 0, minus 9. Example 2, Part B. Multiply x plus 5 times x minus 5. So we will distribute x plus 5 into x minus 5. Doing so, we will get x times x plus 5 minus 5 times x plus 5. We will continue with our distribution, so we'll multiply x times x times a positive 5, negative 5 times x, negative 5 times 5. Doing so, we will get x times x squared, x times 5, a positive 5x, negative 5 times x, a negative 5x, and negative 5 times 5, a negative 25. Now, if we combine like terms, we'll be left with x squared. Positive 5 minus positive 5x minus 5x will be 0, minus 25. Example 2, Part C. Multiply x minus y times x plus y. So we will begin by distributing x minus y into x plus y. So we're going to multiply x minus y times x and x minus y times y, leaving us with x times x minus y plus y times x minus y. We will continue our distribution. So x times x times a negative y times x, y times a negative y, leaving us with x times x squared, x times negative xy, y times x, positive xy, and positive y times negative y squared. If we combine like terms, negative xy plus xy will be 0, leaving us with x squared minus y squared. Example 2, Part D. A plus B times A minus B. So we will begin by distributing A plus B into A minus B. So we will multiply A plus B times A plus B times negative B, leaving us with A times A plus B minus B times A plus B. Now we will continue our distribution. So we'll multiply A times A times B, negative B times A, negative B times B, leaving us with A squared. That's A times A times B will be AB, negative b times a will be negative ab, and negative b times b will be a negative b squared. If we combine like terms, ab minus ab will be 0, leaving us with a squared minus b squared.